here with you, sipping on coke and rum. I'm like, so what? I'm drunk. It's the freaking weekend, baby. I'm about to have me some fun.
Punta tayo ngayon, Tagaytay. Dito na yung kasama ko, Buddy, si Q. Let's go! Samahan nyo ha. Time check guys, 4:30 kami umalis sa Hi mga ka-riser, nandito na kami sa as of now sa Bacoor, Cavite. Malayo-layo pa. Pahinga muna. Mga 1.5 hours kami nagbiyahe. Bacoor, Cavite na kami. Let's go. Guys, nas pa rin kami. Pataas na kami ngayon. Baka makapunta kami sa kapatid namin. Kapatid ko sa Amaya Subdivision. Sana mapunta namin. Nakapagod ah. Marin niya. Sobrang haba ng bike namin. Nasa ahon na kami. Nasa ahon na kami guys. Sakto lang. Kahit lang yung patada. Kaya. Let's go. Pahinga muna. Ito na nga. Dasmariñas pa rin. Pahinga muna, 5 minutes. Ano, dito kami sa holiday. And I know when I need it, I can count on you. Like 4, 3, 2, you'll be there. Cause that's what friends are supposed to do. Nahuli. Nakikita niyo ba ito? Puno? Sa gitna ng kalsada. Matagaytay. Ayan o. 30 minutes na lang. Tagaytay na. Mainang nila lang. Basic lang to. Guys, mamaya kita-kits. Tagaytay. And I know when I need it, I can count on you. Like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. Mahal na packet lang siya, basic. Cause that's what friends are supposed to. Hey guys! Tagaytay, mainang nila lang. Basic lang ito. 30 minutes sa Tagaytay na. Bisig lang to.
Yeah. Now, just picture me high up with my top down on Highland and Sunset, doing 85 on the top deck. See, step by step, we walking on stars. If you looking for some action, you ain't gotta go that far. Now, just picture me.
Guys, ito na nga. 30 minutes na lang. Tagaytay na. Bili kami ng silang Cavite. Papasok. Ayun o. Monumento.
Know how it go down. Now you know how it go down. I'll entertain you. Just wait until the sun goes down. You know how it go down. You know how it go down. Might get a little crazy. Just wait until the sun goes down. Underground, any city I come in town. It's
guys, 20 minutes na lang, Tagaytay na kami. Ano, basic lang to, may nang nila lang. Magigil!
You ain't gotta feel guilty, no judge, you gon' be free.
muna kami.
Balatan mo pre, gamit yung ano mo. Gimme. Hindi marunong pre ah. Oh.
Wait until the sun goes down. Then it's go time. I swear this feeling like we inches from the goal line. Now or never, better make your mind.
Bye-bye yung mataga mo dyan. Tagal naman yun.
Kaya mo sir? Kaya mo?
May na nila lang pre.
Hindi na natutulungan.
Ang tagal ah.
Bago na yung mag-book ba yun? Ano na, biker?
Oh, ano pre? Diyan ka na. Dada na kita mamaya.
Gusto na sabaw.
Ang ginagawa mo pre? Ano yan dyan?
Until the sun, wait until the sun goes down. Just picture me Hollywood living, riding through the sun, riding through the sunset now. Stop tripping, just give me a minute and wait until the sun.
Hi guys, tanghali na oh. Nandito na kami. Ayan oh, maulan. Zero visibility. Oh, walang makita.
You know I can go down, go crazy. Wait until the sun goes down.
Ano? Ang pumplito lang kilo, gusto nyo pabili? Natubos na. Well.
You were looking at me like you wanted to stay. When I saw you yesterday, I'm not wasting your time, I'm not playing no games. I see ya. Who knows the secret tomorrow will hold? We don't really need to know.
Okay na. Ngayon ang nilalang. Mga kadicer, nandito na kami oh. Ngayon ang nilalang, tagaytay. Ayan oh.
A few moments later.
Hello, bulalo. Mga may nang nilalang.